Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar.
Walhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. Walillahil hamd. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Yes, it is a great day. I have to be with my brothers and sisters in Aceh. And it is a good time to show our solidarity, our unity, our togetherness to overcome the problems after Aceh was hit by the disaster. I ask our brothers and sisters here to look ahead, to move ahead, and to rebuild Aceh for better future.
Mr. President, concretely what?
Kami karuniakan kepadamu kelimpahan, karenanya sembahlah.
Selanjutnya, pakaian muslim Anda Bustami. Selanjutnya, pakaian muslimah dewasa kepada Ibu Aryan.
We have to have a target. We have to accelerate the process. So we do hope in 3 months' time we are able to achieve a significant result during the emergency relief operation. But after March 26, there might be still international presence, the equipment, the personnel, or the expertise that are needed to continue their works.
Thank you.